And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a cube pattern. Let us create a cube, and you need the rulers active, so press Ctrl R if you can't see them. And then you can drag these guides out of there, double click on them. It opens the guideline menu, and you want to go to angle and use 120. Drag a horizontal guide down as well. And another one, double click to 140 degrees. Define a center point, something like this. And now use the Bezier tool. The snapping is enabled, so that helps me. When I go from right to left, I hold Ctrl so that I hit the other guide on a horizontal line. And here's the snapping, so if you don't have that enabled, enable it, it helps. I want to have a fill and no stroke, so I use the swatches below and I hold Shift and click on the X to get rid of the stroke. I copy that, press Ctrl D, click on it again, I hold Ctrl and rotate it, and then I connect both. So this is our basic unit that we need. And now we only need two more sides for the cube. And they consist of triangles as well. You can use the guides and reposition that to see what I mean. So however you position it, you always have triangles appearing in the negative spaces. This would be our second side, and a third one, you can see it. But let me first shift click on the two elements and give them different colors. But if I reposition the guides, so for example the horizontal line up here, and this guide, I'll drag it down there, you can see the next side, and it consists of two triangles as well. So Ctrl D and reposition that, give it a different fill, and we've got our basic cube unit created. You can now shift click on the two triangles on each side and go to Path and Union to connect them. We don't need the guides anymore, hover over them and press the delete key, select it all, press Ctrl G. And now we copy that, pressing Ctrl D, and the snapping helps us in repositioning them. Position makes a difference, so don't just randomly connect them to edges, like so. You need to connect the sides. So for example, pick this one, and put it to the side of the center one, just like that. And this should be your starting point. Now you can select them all, copy them, pressing Ctrl D, and find a good position. Repeat the process over and over, so Ctrl D to copy, reposition it. As long as snapping is enabled, you will find the correct position from now on easily. I'm going to speed this video up a little bit. When you've got enough, you can create a rectangle on top. Let me disable snapping for this. And now select the area around the rectangle, right click and set clip. And now your pattern is clipped to this rectangle shape, and you can adjust it like this easily. And this is how you can create this cube pattern in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.